Happy Hearts Hub.
Ricky Raccoon loved to play. He built the tallest towers. He read the silliest books. And he ate the tastiest snacks. But his den? What a mess! Blocks here. Books there. Snacks everywhere. Ricky didn't mind. He had better things to do than clean. Until one day, something was missing. His favorite red baseball hat. Gone. Vanished. He searched under the bed, no hat. He peeked behind a cushion, no hat. He checked inside his toy chest, just more toys. So, off he went to Mr. Owl, the wisest in the forest. Mr. Owl? My hat is missing. Where could it be? Mr. Owl fluffed his feathers. Tell me, Ricky, how does your den look? Ricky blinked. Messy? Mr. Owl smiled. Then let's clean it up. Because when things are in their place, the things we love can find us. Ricky wasn't sure. Cleaning? It's not an adventure. But Mr. Owl was very wise. So Ricky gave it a try. He picked up the blocks. Clunk, clunk, clunk. He stacked the books. Plop, plop, plop. He put away the snacks. Munch, munch, munch. Oops, he ate one first. And then, under a book on the shelf, there it was. His red baseball hat. Hooray! Ricky cheered. Mr. Owl winked. See? Cleaning up is magic. Ricky thought about that. If things had a place, he would always know where they were. So from that day on, Ricky kept his den tidy. And guess what? He didn't just find his hat. He also found his favorite toy car, one he thought was gone forever. And that, my friends, is how Ricky Raccoon learned. A clean home is a happy home. And a happy home is the best place to play. Now, tell me, can you put away one toy right now? Who knows, you might find something amazing. If you love stories like this, there are so many more waiting for you at Happy Hearts Hub. Click subscribe and stay for the next adventure. Because every great story begins with you. See you next time.